Please prepare for a moment of silence. Thank you.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Chieftains. This is Mary with your Sapulpa Junior High News. The Share What You Can Spare food drive is going strong and will finish up on Friday, November 10th. Items are collected in your 5th hour class. Each class's goal is to provide one complete box of items. Generous donors have already provided the turkeys. 8th and 9th compete against each other and also with the high school. Great opportunity for the junior high to make a valuable contribution and service to our Sapulpa community.
Hello there, junior high. This is Enrique. The Big Blue Band traveled to Muskogee last week for the OSSAA competition and received all ones, which is the highest ratings to be received. Also, the Big Blue Band played a huge role in the Chieftains' win in McAllister Friday night. Thank you for your support for the football team. For cross country, the cold and wet weather did not faze our runners Saturday in Edmond. Isaac Meza made a 5A All-State with a 9th place finish with a new personal best time. The boys team finished 4th in the state with the outstanding team 5K average. On the ladies' side, Destiny Miller also had a top 30 performance and a great 5K personal record. This is dropping over 1 minute of the previous time. Great job, runners.
We still need 9th and 12th guys and girls to try out for tennis. If you're interested to try out, please email Coach Ludlow at kludlow@sapulpaps.org or Coach Hill at rhill2@sapulpaps.org.
For the Ping Pings, what a way to kick off competition dance season at TSF for our Pings. The large senior ensemble is bringing home a first place finish as well as the choreography award. Shireen Mortazabi earned 2nd place in the intermediate solo division and in their senior solo division. Akri Ernst was awarded 3rd place and Lainey Jones earned 2nd place. Great job, Pings. Also, the Pings are currently doing their Nothing Bunt Cakes fundraiser. Find a Ping Ping to get yours ordered today. For football, the team fought through some hometown adversity down in McAllister and brought back a W. As things sit, the team will get 3rd in the district and travel to the winner of Claremore and Collinsville game this Friday for the first round of playoffs. East Central travels to town this Friday for senior night and the last regular season game. This Friday, senior night, we will begin senior recognition at 6:35. We will be recognizing cheer, pings, football, managers, and trainers, cross country, ROTC, and the Special Olympics. And at halftime, band senior recognition. Junior high basketball starts this week.
Have a good week, Chieftains.